So wonderful, good afternoon, dear LinkedIn Community Composites Launch members. And yeah, PRF suppliers and customers, we have Vincent Fawcett with us. As you know, Vincent, I've interviewed him already during Jack World 2025 this year. And Vincent, let's dive directly into it. We are here at Advanced Engineering at the Composites networking launch, and you have also established as PRF a demo zone. So how are you? Happy with it? What's your feedback on that?
Thank you, Ilkay. It's very nice to see you again. Yes, we're here at the networking lounge and we have a demonstration zone. What's particularly important for us in this demonstration zone is we are showcasing press molding, the process of press molding. So we're showcasing our materials. About what we're showing is how fast they cure in the press. We're talking about a 4-minute, 140-degree cure.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is very, very fast, and this is central to everything that we try to get across in composites. Our central message is cure fast and cure high volume. So yeah, we have a live press demonstration, I think 3 times today and a further 3 times tomorrow. So come along and watch us demonstrate press molding.
Yes, and then in between you have some presentations at the conference room, the Composites Forum.
We do. So I've just recently been talking about sustainability and high volume manufacturing.
Quite busy these days.
It is.
So, dear community, you have to know that Vincent is a visionary person. And the vision he has now introduced to the public is basically a vision of high volume production. And Vincent, my question to you is, what is your vision? Can you walk us through step by step as you did right now in the conference, because I found that really compelling.
Our whole technology around fast curing, rapid curing, is built around a family of Prepreg systems that we have called RP570. We have these Prepreg systems with supported by an adhesive. We have this Prepreg system supported with certifications in fire resistancy for automotive and aerospace. So we have this family of Prepregs that cures very, very fast in the press, or equally very fast in the autoclave. We use this family of Prepreg systems to drive our vision for high volume manufacturing. We want to support industries such as aerospace and automotive and marine and medical parts manufacturing. We want to enable them to be able to make multiple parts very, very quickly and efficiently at low cost per part production, a low energy cost per part production. And we marry into this our vision for sustainability, which is utilizing recycled materials into this family of resin systems. And we then add to that even further by supporting our customers with kitting. This is wrapped up in our material availability. It means making material very, very available for our parts processors. We'll take care of the kitting. We'll package the parts into kits for you. All you have to do is make the parts. You don't have to handle rolls of materials and store rolls of materials anymore. So that's kind of the message we're trying to get across, Ilkay.
So you see, dear community, the vision of Vincent, a very robust vision with certainly very substantial technologies that are available. I have to say that the PRF culture as a company that are really supporting events like this, that are supporting the associations, are really, really remarkable. Now, I want to know from Vincent now, next is, they are a headline sponsor not only here in Birmingham, but also they will be a headline sponsor in the Drum in London, where the International Composites Summit will take place. So my question to Vincent is, Vincent, what is the motivation behind sponsoring and being a headline sponsor at ICS International Composite Summit soon on the 3rd and 4th of December?
Yeah, we're very excited about sponsoring and supporting the ICS in London again this year. This is an extremely important event for PRF. What we find with ICS is the concentration of quality industry professionals all in one place is fantastic at this event. So we're very proud to sponsor it, and we look to have really powerful engagements with our industry partners again this year.
All right. So, dear community, this is it from Birmingham on the first day. I'm getting tired slowly, but you have still some receptions.
We've got some work to do.
And this evening you will be also at the award ceremony of Composites UK. You are a 4 times nominee.
We are. We've been awarded, we've been nominated for 2 awards this year, and this is our 3rd year on the trot, so 4 times nominee.
4 times.
Fingers crossed.
I keep fingers crossed, and see you tomorrow again, Vincent.
Thank you, Ilkay. It's always a pleasure.
Ilkay today at the drum in Wembley, London, creating sustainable value with Composites launch. The future of composites is no longer coming. It's already here at the drum, Wembley, London, a stage built for breakthroughs. December 2 to 3, 2025. 250 plus global leaders and decision makers. Big ideas and real talk. Innovation, collaboration, transformation. This is where change begins. From aerospace to automotive, marine to energy, every sector, every solution. Engineers, designers, manufacturers and researchers. OEMs, Tier 1 suppliers and industry leaders, all under one roof. The Composites launch is in the house, engaging the voices during the Composites 360 on tour. Free to attend, impossible to miss. ICS 2025, where the industry connects, collaborates and accelerates.
Ilkay Oskizolo, creating sustainable value with Composites 360 on tour at the International Composite Summit. Now available on LinkedIn, YouTube and your preferred audio podcast app.